Hello everyone, my name is Preeti Vilku. I am a registered and licensed dietitian and also certified diabetes educator. I do apologize for my raspy voice because I'm getting over a cold. But today's topic is business plan for the foodie dietitian. Little bit about myself. I am currently enrolled in Master of Science in Applied Nutrition program with the University of New England, Maine. And my expected graduation date is April 2019. Objectives of this presentation are the need to invest in the foodie dietitian company, executive summary, company's description, market research, description of product and services, description of marketing efforts, financial projection, and conclusion.